Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. In today's video, we are unboxing and reviewing a high-quality Bohemian porcelain dinnerware set that features Marrakech or Nordic Retro Style. This 29-piece dinnerware set is beautifully designed, making it a stunning addition to any dining table. Whether you are looking for a stylish set for daily use or an elegant tableware collection for special occasions, this ceramic dinnerware set is a perfect choice. Throughout this review, we will discuss its design, quality, durability, usability, and value for money. One bowl with single handle, perfect for serving salads, pasta, and cereal, size 5.5 20.5 15.5 centimeters. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to serve hot soups or stir up a bowl of noodles. The deep design helps contain liquids, preventing spills and keeping your meal intact. One bowl with dual handles, ideal for noodles and soup, size 23.6 19.4 7.3 centimeters. A must-have for soups, stews, and noodle dishes, this dual-handled bowl offers both functionality and elegance. One salad bowl with dual handles, great for soup, pasta, and cereal, size 23 15.66.6 centimeters. This versatile salad bowl is designed for larger servings, making it ideal for tossed greens, pasta dishes, and hearty soups. The dual handles provide stability when passing it around the table, ensuring a seamless dining experience. The Bohemian-inspired patterns add a decorative touch, making it a statement piece on any dining setup. Whether used for serving cold salads in the summer or warm stews in the winter, this bowl adapts to every season and occasion. One serving tray, square, double-handled, perfect for serving multiple items, size 23.4 18.74.7 centimeters. A true dining essential, this square serving tray is both practical and elegant. Its double-handle design allows for effortless carrying, making it ideal for serving appetizers, desserts, or even main courses. One rectangular dish, ideal for salads, sushi, fruits, and more, size 31.9 16.83.9 centimeters. This rectangular dish is perfect for serving and displaying beautifully arranged meals. Six round dessert plates, designed for desserts, appetizers, or light snacks, size 22.5 centimeters. A meal isn't complete without dessert, and these round dessert plates are perfect for serving cakes, pastries, cookies, and fruit platters. These plates are also great for serving appetizers, cheese platters, or bread with dips before the main course. Six round soup or deep plates, great for serving soups, stews, or pasta dishes, size 20.7 20.7 centimeters. Designed for comfort and convenience, these deep soup plates are ideal for serving a variety of liquid-based dishes like soups, stews, broths, and saucy pastas. Six bowls can be used for salads, fruits, dips, or desserts, size 12.66 centimeters. These six multi-purpose bowls are a kitchen essential, perfect for serving individual portions of salads, fruits, snacks, dips, and desserts. Whether you need a bowl for a fresh fruit salad at breakfast, a serving of guacamole at lunch, or a scoop of ice cream after dinner, these bowls cater to every need. Six dinner plates or rice plates, perfect for main courses or hearty meals, size 26.53 centimeters. These large dinner plates are designed for serving main courses, rice dishes, and full meal presentations. With ample surface space, they accommodate everything from grilled meats and roasted vegetables to seafood platters and rice-based meals. The Bohemian Porcelain Dinnerware set is more than just a collection of plates and bowls. It's a statement of elegance, culture, and timeless craftsmanship. Every piece in this 29-piece set is designed to elevate your dining experience, whether you're hosting a formal dinner party, enjoying a cozy family meal, or looking for a beautiful yet functional gift for your loved ones. One of the standout features of this dinnerware set is its exquisite Bohemian-inspired design, which effortlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics. The intricate patterns and hand-painted details make each piece unique, ensuring that your table setting always looks artistic and inviting. Unlike mass-produced, plain dinnerware, this set adds personality and charm to your meals, making even simple dishes look gourmet. Beyond aesthetics, this porcelain set is built for durability and convenience. The high-quality ceramic construction ensures that each piece is resistant to chipping, scratching, and staining. Moreover, its microwave-safe and dishwasher-safe properties make it extremely practical for modern households. You can reheat food with ease and clean up effortlessly, making this set ideal for both everyday use and special occasions. Functionality is another key highlight of this set. The diverse range of bowls, plates, and serving dishes ensures that you have everything you need for a complete and versatile dining experience. Whether you're serving a hearty bowl of soup, presenting a beautifully arranged salad, or plating up a delicious dessert, this set offers the perfect dish for every occasion. The variety of sizes and designs caters to different meal types, making it an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the bowls and serving trays enhances usability. Features like double handles on selected pieces allow for easy carrying and serving, making mealtimes more convenient. The deep soup plates and wide dinner plates are designed to prevent spills, ensuring a hassle-free dining experience. For those who love hosting guests or celebrating festive occasions, this dinnerware set is a showstopper. The vibrant boho chic aesthetic effortlessly complements any dining table, from rustic to modern settings. Whether you're serving a traditional home-cooked meal, an exotic dish, or a casual brunch, this set adds a touch of sophistication and warmth to your dining setup. Furthermore, this Bohemian porcelain dinnerware set makes a fantastic gift. Whether for a wedding, housewarming, anniversary, or special celebration, this set is a thoughtful and luxurious choice that your loved ones will cherish. This Bohemian porcelain dinnerware set is a fantastic choice for anyone who appreciates elegance, durability, and versatility in their tableware. It's more than just dinnerware, it's a piece of art that enhances your dining experience, turning every meal into a stylish affair. If you're looking for a set that's both visually appealing and highly functional, this collection is an excellent investment. With its dishwasher-safe and microwave-friendly features, it's perfect for modern living, while the intricate boho chic design adds a unique touch of sophistication. This set delivers value, beauty, and quality, making it a must-have for any home. Whether for personal use or as a gift, it's a choice you won't regret. What do you think about this beautiful Bohemian porcelain dinnerware set? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting unboxings and reviews. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.